Don't pick a weak password. Don't do it. I'm watching you. All right? I can't believe that in the year 2018, we are still having discussions on passwords. But I still run across companies that have passwords as password, passwords as admin, or my favorite one I got a few weeks ago was an administrative account for a server had a blank password. All right, we have to recognize that in many cases, passwords are our first and only line of defense. So we want to make sure that we're going in, have different passwords for each one of our systems. And if we can't remember them, that's okay. There's great password vaulting programs, but we do have to have good, strong, robust passwords. Now, a trick. Pick the first letter of a phrase. So if I went in and used a phrase, my first son was born at Reston Hospital at 11:10 a.m., then I would just take the first letter, so it would be uppercase M, the number 1, SWB, the @ symbol, uppercase R, uppercase H. You get the idea. So now we can have a complex looking password that's actually pretty easy to remember. Now let's make it even simpler. Why even do that? Why not just make your actual password? My first son was born at Reston Hospital at 11:10 a.m. Really long, really hard for an adversary to catch, and very easy for you to remember. So I know we all get tired of hearing about passwords, but unfortunately, adversaries are still using them as an entry point. So always make sure you pick long, strong passwords that are easy to remember, hard for the adversary to guess, and always have different passwords for all of your accounts.